Okay, I have been trying to do my house renovation for the last 1 year and was looking for some company to do renovations. So finally, I came up with going through browsing and some of my friends. I got to know about Armson homes and I met Manoj and Kavya at office and we discussed and then it was all very quick. I did the renovation of my kitchen, bathrooms, and study table for and come keyboard stand for my kids. And I would say overall experience was good. Work-wise was very good, and main part was they, without me interfering, they were doing the disposal side. That also was very good because being in a flat, I cannot keep the waste anywhere out. So that side was well taken care of, timely disposal, and overall I was happy with the work, and all my cupboards were to my satisfaction.